ranking system which is powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Kamal and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110579. What is your full name?
My name is Ashwit Rani.
Ashwit Rani, where are you from?
I came from Lake Plot, which is situated under district Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab.
Is your hometown well connected with other cities?
I think yes, of course, as my hometown is near to many cities like Marina and Bursey. There are many facilities available in my hometown.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes, of course, as I love my hometown very much and there are many facilities that are needed for a person to live a happy life.
Let's talk about celebrities. Do you like any celebrity in India?
I guess there are many celebrities in India, but here I would like to talk about one of my favorite celebrity, that is Amrinder Gill. He is a singer.
Do you like any foreign celebrities?
I say no because I mainly watch Bollywood movies. I never watch Hollywood movies, so I don't know any foreign celebrity.
Okay, would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
If in my future I get the opportunity to become any famous person, then definitely I will grab that opportunity as I want to gain name and fame.
Why do you think some people like international celebrities too?
It is not a piece of cake to say about people as it varies from person to person, but mainly people like celebrities because of their huge fan following and their name in the society.
Why do you think some celebrities are not popular and others are very popular among people?
It varies from a person as many celebrities do hard work and they are appreciated by the audience, as some are doing hard work for achieving the success and definitely they will also get famous in the upcoming days.
Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
Yes, of course, I will grab the opportunity whenever I would get the opportunity to become a celebrity in the future, as I like celebrities very much.
What is the one thing you really like about celebrities?
There are many things that I like about celebrities, but if I have to say one, then definitely their personality.
Have you learned something from the life of celebrities?
Yes, I have learned many things from the celebrities, such as how to be polite with your loved ones, how to develop your personality, communication skills and many more things.
Is it a good idea for a youngster to imitate the style of their favorite celebrities or celebs?
I think at some extent, as if youngsters will follow celebrities for a long time, then they would have an active effect on their life. But they should copy only right things from the celebrities, as they show many contacts in their films and movies, but they should follow only right contact.
Okay, let's talk about your free time activities. What do you do whenever you have spare time?
Well, it all depends on my mood and weather, but I mainly like to read books and prefer to listen to music whenever I get free time.
What kinds of music you like or genre of music you like?
I like energetic music as to make my mind revive and rejuvenate and to get more energy to do any work.
Have you seen any difference between recent and past music?
Well, there is lot of difference between the ancient time and the present time. As in ancient time, the music was related to tradition and culture. But now, as in the modern era, trend is changing. People always prefer to listen energetic music with various different contents.
Okay, that's all for the first section, Ashwit. Now we are going to discuss about second part of this speaking. In this section, you will be given one cue card, and on this topic, you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. If you want to make some notes, we have paper and pencil on the table. And today your topic is describe an interesting conversation. And your time starts now.
may help me to enhance my knowledge as well as helps me to gain some social skills and conjunctive skills. But here I would like to talk about a conversation that I recently had. 5 months ago, I was scrolling on Instagram. Then I came across a message. It was from a girl from Hong Kong named as Henry Chinzu. She told me, she sent a message of hello, and I just replied, "Who are you?" She told that she was looking for a travel agent, Mure. And then I told her that sorry, you had messaged the wrong person, as I am a student from India. After that we became friends, and now also we are good friends as we share our joys and sorrows with each other. I had learned many things like little bit Hong Kong language, and I also told her about my culture, tradition, and we had also planned that whenever we will meet in our future, we will definitely have a fun together. It was an amazing feeling when I met her. Because I mainly talk or on a video call or on a voice call, but I am in ways that when I would meet her in my future, and we had also planned that whenever she will came to India, we will go to holy places such as Amritsar, as there is a famous Sikhism temple. Apart from it, we had also planned that if in my future it will become able for me to go Hong Kong, I would definitely meet her and her family. However, now we are chatting with each other for a long time, and now we are good friends, and I feel lucky that I met such a beautiful and amazing girl.
Let's talk about third section, test out for the second section of the IELTS speaking test. In this part of the section, I am going to ask few questions about interesting conversation. Let's talk about first question. Do you like face-to-face conversation or telephonic, and why?
Well, it comes easy when a person talk on a phone or voice call, but whenever a person talk face to face, that is amazing feeling as person learn many things, how to make a eye contact, how to be confident, how to use a sentence in a proper way.
Have you seen a difference between face-to-face and telephonic conversation?
Well, there is lot of difference as whenever a person talk to another person by sitting together, then a person may feel hesitate or shy to share his or her joys with another person. But whenever a person do chat or call, then it becomes easy to convey message to each other.
What are some reasons you feel some people feel shy when they have a conversation with strangers?
I guess one of the major lack of confidence, and lack of time also, as in the modern era, people always prefer to make a call rather than talking to face, as they think that talking to face is a wastage of time.
How can someone be a good listener?
There are many ways that a person can become a good listener by listening attentive to the speaker and applying good things in their daily life, and also learning many things like personality, how to be confident in the front of audience or another person.
Is listening to motivational speakers or political leaders help people to communicate better?
At some extent, as there are many things that a person can learn from a speaker and political leader, like how to be confident, how to convey their message in a proper way to another person, and how to remove your shyness, and how to talk with the stranger.
Are some people not good listeners?
I can't say about all people, but if every coin has flip side, so there are definitely some bad listeners, but it is due to their lack of confidence or shyness among their nature.
Would you say a person should be a good listener if he or she wants to improve their communication skills?
Yes, of course, as a person adopts things easily when they listen to somebody else, as whenever a person listen to a speaker attentively, they could develop many skills as how to utilize your time in proper way and say your topic to another person in a right way and at the right time.
Last question, what is the one thing you really like about having a conversation with positive state of mind people?
As whenever I meet a person, I always try to talk a positive way, but whenever a person person gave me a feeling of confidence, give me a feeling of confidence, then it automatically helps me to create my confidence and encourage me to do something in life and never to give it in the path of the life.
Okay, that's all for the third section of the RS speaking test. You can leave now. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.